here from CrazyBorgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful September day. So today's video, I'm going to be doing some lovely diamond painting with yourselves. And this particular ornament is an autumn themed ornament, and it was gifted by the lovely people at Fgnormal. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to link the product in the video description box down below. And this is the ornament that we're going to be working on. It's that hard acrylic, and it's double-sided with the picture, but you only diamond paint one side. Okay, now at the time it was gifted on the 7th of August, it was $11.44, £9. So today's video is going to be diamond painting that, but I also want to give a special happy birthday shout out to my lovely son Carlos, who has turned 15 today. So Carlos, if you're watching, happy birthday, and we're going to have lots of cake and lots of presents and lots of fun later on this evening, because he's at school now, bless him. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And first and foremost, if you haven't done so already, if I could ask you to please consider liking and subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on CrazyBorgies Diamond Art, and hitting that little notification bell, and it will notify you of my future video uploads. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can just see the lovely hands at work. As usual, I'm going to do all the specials with you first, then do a hyperlapse with some lovely relaxation music, and at the end of the video you'll be able to see the finished product. Let's get diamond painting. So this one came with a padded piece of foam to help protect it, which was really good. It done its job. And there's the stand there, the acrylic stand. Right, so this one only has 10 symbols. So I'm going to pour all my crystals into these little trays. And yes, I still haven't found my missing one. Someone asked me the other day if I'd found it. No, still missing, Okay, so just gonna pour these in like so. Just bring you round ever so slightly. So that's number one. And then we have got number two. You will hear some background noise, guys, because one of my children's school had to close today because they had lots of flooding, because we've had so much rain. So it's just been awful. Last couple of days it's just been non-stop raining. So lots of roads have been flooded in rural areas, because we're a little bit rural where we live. It's number 3, so that's the tray that's missing, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. So yeah, it's been a bit troublesome. So number 4 is gorgeous red. I know I've got a bit of a wobble. Hopefully it won't disturb the video too much. Okay. Yeah, apparently her school was all flooded. So, you know, they emailed us yesterday saying, sorry, school is closed tomorrow. Which is fine, because it just means she gets a longer weekend. Shame it wasn't my son's school, really. Especially as it's his birthday as well. There we go. And then number 6 is a lime green. Right, so there's our rhinestones all sorted. Now we're just going to do the specials. So I'm glad it's the weekend, guys. I've had a bit of a hectic week because of preparing for my son's birthday. So yeah, it's just been a bit mad, just a little bit. Right, so we have 4 specials on this one. We have, I'll just refresh your memory, the red dome there, a blue marquee that is very smooth, no facets on, and then we've got a gold and yellow faceted marquee, and then a turquoise blue in the medium light rhinestone. So we're going to start off with symbol D. Okay, and this is the blue medium rhinestone there. Lovely. I'm wondering, I think I might need the light on. Yeah. Just because the lighting is really bad. I thought maybe with my new light I might not need it, but so that's a blue rhinestone there. And this is symbol D, which is only a few of, so let's just take off the, I'm going to take off this outer cover, plastic sheet. There we go. Now I didn't get to bed till gone 2 last night, so forgive me if I come across a bit like forgetful. Yeah, this is all just in pieces. This, oh, never mind. Never mind. Come on. Right, I've done it now. All came off in little bits, so it took me some time, but it's all off now. So let's get diamond painting. I'm going to zoom you in, and yeah, okay. So it's symbol D, pen, there we go. Yeah, it's not been nice weather here at all. It's definitely more autumn today. Right, there's only a few of these scattered around, so just here as well. There we go. Lovely. Then I'm hoping that we don't get thunder and lightning again. because we had thunder and lightning yesterday, and my daughter, my youngest, is really scared of it, and she was at school and she started crying apparently, so I'm just hoping that it doesn't thunder and lightning today. There we go. Got a couple up here as well. So I'm just going to do, oh, there's one there, and that one. I can't actually see any more, so I think that's all of the D's. Right, the next symbol is C, and it's a golden yellow faceted marquee. There we go. Little bit dusty, but what we do is, as I always recommend, getting a baby wipe and some window cleaner and just giving it a little, not too much, just a little wipe down before you seal, and it will be fine. It will be sparkling like new. Yes. So this is symbol C, this one. We'll start off down here. Okay. Whoops. Did not mean to drop that there. They're very dusty, these. There we go. I love all the orange leaves at autumn time. There was lots of them in the park this morning. Right, there's some more on here as well. Okay. Just going to work our way round. Excuse me. My eldest daughter just made me some lovely avocado on toast. I think that's still got the cover on, hasn't it? Yeah, she made me some lovely avocado on toast for lunch. It was delicious. That's my favourite for sure. I just love avocado. Smashed avocado. Oh, it's so yummy. There we go. Okay. Lovely. Just a few more round here. Whoops. So I'm glad you all seem to like my my little shopping trip the other day. I did actually buy some diamond painted related bits and bobs, so I'll have to show it to you soon. But I am planning to do more of them because, well, it seems to have really took off on my channel, those little shop walkarounds. So I do like to go and have a look, just a little browse. I don't necessarily buy stuff, but most of the time I'll buy one or two items. But I was really shopping there for stuff for my son, really. Right, let me pause you and I'll get the next symbol out. Right, so the next symbol is the blue smooth marquee there. It was very dusty, so I just grabbed a wet wipe and gave it a quick wipe down. But I'll do it again before I seal these beautiful diamonds. But very nice. Okay, and this is symbol B. So it's just on the roof of the birdhouse up here. There we go. That one's still got a little bit of dust on it there. Just give it a little wipe. Tell you what, I wouldn't mind living in this birdhouse myself if I was a bird. Very pretty. And then just 3 more up here. So I've got my dad coming over this afternoon. So we can spend some time together for my son's birthday. Very nice. Okay, so that's all the blue marquees done. It's just on the roof of the house. Right, hold on. Let me go and grab symbol A. Okay. This is the red dome. There we go. That won't behave themselves. Lovely. And this is sort of scattered around. So we do A. There you go. And then we've got some more down here. Okay. There you go. And that's it for all the A's. So I'm going to now put you on a hyperlapse and then you'll be able to see the end result in a few minutes. And there it is, all completed. I think it turned out fabulous, this one. I'll just zoom you up close. I haven't sealed it yet, but I'm going to seal it overnight. So I'll zoom you up so you can see all the lovely, gorgeous special diamonds. Okay guys, so that is my completion from the lovely people at Fgnormal. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this gorgeous product, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram on CrazyBorgies Diamond Art. Yes. Okay, take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.